So we're not using this one again, the precision glue gel, but using on the other end. And then we are going to brush it on the metal part. And now we're going to close it tight and using on the other end. And then we're gonna seal all the beads and go around with the crystals. And then the crystal and then the flower. If you feel scratchy, you are going to squeeze a little bit, just a little bit. That's how much you need. You don't need a lot. Little go a long way. And then we're gonna go in all of the metals pieces between the crystals. And then cure for 60 seconds. However, you can definitely go back again if you needed it more of the sealing. Tap with everything between crystals. Okay, so then seals it in. Make sure don't cover and coat all of the crystal because you're gonna take it away from the sparkle and the shine. And especially this glove crystal is so gorgeous, so adorable. It looks like a three-dimensional, so you can, when you turn it, you see how cool it reflects it like that. All right, so this is that. Let me show you. Okay, let's cue this one. And here's the first look for this nails. I'm so obsessed with this and it's super cute.